Hello everyone, this video is about a finished object, which are these socks, and there are leftovers that I received from a viewer, a friend, someone that I met on social media, and in reality I was able to knit socks. Now here are my next pair of leftover socks, and leftovers that I received from a friend, so it's not my leftovers. And as you can see, I a little bit forgot myself. But that's the idea with the socks. At least I'll try to keep it that way, that I divide whatever I have to 2 equal balls, and over here I had 9 grams each. I know how I can knit a 9 gram for so long. What I did over here, and even though it looks, this is actually helix method. On the screen over here I put a tutorial how I do it, so check the link down below. And yeah, I did this. So you can see this is worked in around, and here is this method. I haven't blocked these socks, so you can see a bit of a folding thing, but it's not really, as you can see, hopefully you can see it now. It doesn't show the change. It goes nicely and smoothly. And if you're interested how to do this, I would say, yeah, check that video. It's 1 minute and 20 seconds. So I used 2 types of yarn. One for toes, heels, and ribbing. I used Drops Fable number 100. I have a bag of those, old stash. And because I had only 9 grams, and I really want to do it because the person who sent me this yarn is Christina, and I got this amazing card. Cute! Actually hanging up. So maybe photo over here. Yeah, I don't know how that happened. I thought I have 2 equal 9 grams. So 18 grams. Huh. She does not know what the yarn is. Definitely is a soft yarn. So that's what we can say. So it is unknown and so beautiful. If you've never knitted socks before and you want a basic step-by-step tutorial, I would say link down below or at the end of the video, we shall see, but down below definitely. And yeah, try. I normally do toes up. Most of the time is 95% that I do that way, because the only thing I can do is like count till 12 and let's start knitting, FYI. With the cuff, unfortunately, depends on the circumference of the recipient of the socks. You need to cast that many stitches. So for me, it's 56, so it's way more than 12, right? Right. So I start that on magic loop method, and I switch the circulars, 9-inch circulars, and I just knit it around. I mark after 50 rounds area on both sides. I actually want when I want to place the heel. On the video tutorial you have 2. It's very handy to have a pattern, you know, so you don't mix with one. Figure it out. And then I knit until I run out of yarn. And yeah. So these are definitely for myself, unless I have some amazing knitting friends who would not mind to get one longer than the other, because at the end of the day, you know, this is what we can do, right, on our legs. So beautiful, thank you so much. It was a pleasure to knit, and I hope you had a blast on Instagram when I was tagging you, and enjoyed it so much. You do not have to, as you can see, send loads to your knitting friends. 20 grams is enough to knit a pair. They will definitely have some leftovers too, you know. I would say join us, check the RAVELRY group Knitting I Love, where is a swap thread, and you can swap any yarn you will want to swap with someone. You inform what you have, and then you're waiting for someone who will say hello, I can swap with you. And so I hope you will find that quite exciting. So at the moment I had a zone for knitting hats, now I have a zone for knitting socks, maybe because it's summer. What do you have on your needles? Here are my needles that I used. I normally have 8 stitches by 1 inch, so I use US size 1, 2.25 millimeters to achieve that. Obviously for you to get 8-inch could be completely different, so that's why it may not refer 55 stitches in the circumference for you. It could be more, 64 for instance, to get the same gauge. So here it is. in my pouch. New design is coming soon. Now, I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Don't forget to use hashtag #ILove. Show me what you think. Check the links down below. Maybe you find something that you're interested. Tutorials, my shop, my lovely pouch, or you would want to swap with someone and have an international or national connection with some other Nintendo. Subscribe, hit that like, and I hope to see you next one. Bye. What I'm wearing? Yeah, check my project page. Bye.